May the 1st, 2024. First thing we're going to test today is this relay puller and relay tester. If you've tried to pull these relays, you know how difficult they can be to get out. And on this Jeep, I don't know that it's going to help us that much, because these relays are set down in here, and I can't get this puller down in there unless we can connect it, hook it on this little edge right up here at the top and pull it off. I think we're going to have to wiggle it out well, I had already taken this one out, so it's coming out a lot easier. But now that we have it out, let's go ahead and test it. Now what this does, we'll hook positive and negative to our battery. We will plug in, it'll test 4 and 5 pin relays. This is a 5-pin relay. We will find the appropriate plug it in, and then mash the button to test. And we'll set it either to 5-pin or 4-pin, mash the button to test. It'll take a second or two or whatever for it to read. I think the red blinks for a bit, and then it'll red or either green, and then it'll come on and stay on. So let's hook it up, and I'll have to set this camera down. I'll hook it up and plug the relay in, and then we will turn it on. Okay, we've got it connected and we've plugged in the relay. So we've got it set for 5-pin. Let's hit test. Okay, it's done its test and it is showing up green instead of red, so that relay is good. Okay, so let's disconnect it and sort of wrap this up. Now Frank also has fuse tester. I don't know if we'll get to that today or not. Well, not a fuse tester, but a circuit tester. You pull the fuse out, plug it in, and it has its own battery. It'll tell you if there's any current draw on it. But this may wrap this one up. Let's disconnect it right now. Okay, that'll wrap up our test of this. And the product is Sound Troubleshooting TM. Automotive relay tester. And like I said, Frank said it's about $35. It was about mid-range price. Next, I think we will test this 175 watt 12 volt inverter. But let's get this one uploading, and then we'll start on that inverter.